This is Teacher Jana. Tara, pag-aralan natin to. The first thing that we need to do in answering ratio is labeling them. So, in the first example, we have 2:3. Now, paano natin malalaman kung alin dito ang red at alin dito ang blue? Pag nabasa nyo na ang phrase na the ratio of, kung ano yung unang binanggit, ayun na rin yung mauuna sa ating ratio. So, in this case, red and blue. The other example, we have 7:4, where there are apples and oranges. So, we label this as sa unang problem, binigay dito ang total quantity or whole number. Ito yung kabuuang bilang ng kung ano man pinag-uusapan sa problem. In this case, balls. In the other example naman, given dito yung isang value ng ratio. In this case, apples. So, there are 28 apples. For the first problem, given ang total number of balls, which is 20. Ibig sabihin, merong 20 na bola. If the given is the whole number, we simply add, divide, and multiply. Ia-add natin yung ratio. 2 plus 3, that is 5. Now, yung total number ay i-divide natin sa sum ng 2 and 3, which is 20. Because there are 20 balls according to the problem. So, 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. So, the answer is 4. Now, this is the crucial part. Always remember to look kung ano ba yung hinahanap sa problem. In this case, hinahanap ay ang red balls. How many are red? Since 2 represents for the red balls, i-multiply natin yun by 2. So, 4 times 2, that is 8. Pero Teacher Jana, paano po kung hinahanap naman ay hindi red, pero blue balls? Now, the last step will be the most crucial. Remember, kailangan nung tignan kung ano talaga yung hinahanap. For example, blue ang hinahanap dito. We simply multiply 4 times 3 to get the blue balls. Now, we have 12 blue balls. To check if our answers are correct, i-add natin yung dalawa. 8, which is the red balls, and 12, which is the blue balls. Pag in-add mo yan at nakuha mo yung 20, which is the total number, ibig sabihin your answer is correct. Kaya kung gusto mong sundan ng video na ito, don't forget to follow!